Hello traders, welcome to Lady Africa Forex Trading YouTube channel. My name is Daniela. In this video, we are going to look at 5 enemies that will definitely make you lose money trading Forex. I hope you enjoy the video. The first enemy that we all encounter when we start this business is misinformation. There's a lot of information out there about Forex trading. Well, some are credible, but others are incomplete. Whatever information you come across affects your judgment, your behavior, and even the decisions you make in the trading journey. For example, let me share my story. When I was introduced to Forex trading, I definitely looked around because it was strange to me. It was new. I've never heard about Forex trading before. And obviously, I went to YouTube, searched. Then in the process, I found a video that said, make $1,000 in 10 minutes. I was excited. Then, what did I do? Deposited some money into the live account, and guess what? I lost money. Why? Because the information was incomplete. I did not know there is more to just placing a trade. There's leverage, there's lot size, you have to calculate your risks, anything to do with risk really, because you can't just execute a trade without knowing how much you're willing to lose. So, if only I took time to do research and learn the skill, get familiarized with the trading terminologies, the price action, candlestick patterns, market structure, how fundamentals affect price movement in the market, I would not have lost money. So, fellow traders, if you're a beginner trader out there, or probably you've been in the field for some time and you're not making consistent profits, please take a moment, learn fast, get the right knowledge about Forex trading, get to know, to be familiarized with the Forex dynamics, research on Forex. There are so many ebooks out there that talk about Forex. Also, learn about brokers, because as a retail trader, you don't go to the market directly. You have to trade through a broker. And different brokers have different terms and conditions. Some have favorable spreads, variable spreads, others have fixed spreads. So make sure your broker, the terms and conditions they have, is compatible with your needs in the trading business. And also, most importantly, make sure that broker is well regulated. Otherwise, you may lose money. There are some brokers whom, when it comes to depositing money, the money is received into the broker's account instantly. And then you trade. When it comes to withdrawing the money, it takes 3 working days. So you wonder, is that a credible broker? For a broker to be credible, the same way money depositing is instant is the same way withdrawal process should be instant. So research, get all these facts. Importantly, get a mentor, because a mentor will take you through this process step by step, will give you some insights here and there which you cannot find even in the books. So then in the process, you learn the skill well, and you're able to make profits. So you fight that enemy misinformation by getting the right information, and you will stop losing money. You'll start seeing your account growing. And we all want to be profitable in our business. Secondly, greed. Greed can set in. As a Forex trader, greed can well up in us and kill our discipline. and in the process we lose money. How? In trading, just like any other business, you must have goals. Let's say your goal is to collect 50 pips per trade. Then one good day you find yourself in a position which is just going your way. You're making profits. The impulsive moves, candle after candle, is just going in your direction. This will definitely bring excitement. And excitement brings about greed. Then, greedy trader, you decide to hold the position longer. Now you're feeling euphoric. Your pips are piling up, and now you are 80 pips. You're just accumulating them. 80 pips. You even forget to trail stop your stop loss. Then suddenly, the next candle is affected by fundamental news, and the market shifts to the opposite direction until you're stopped out. And by the way, when there is fundamental news, the market just explodes. The candlestick shoots in seconds. You don't even get reaction time. That is the time now you are even panicking. Even trying to close that trade is not working. And then you're stopped out. So you lose the profits you made. 50 pips, probably your 50 pips was equivalent to $400, $4,000, $40. You lose money. Mark you, the broker will always take their spreads, whether you gain money or you lose money. They always take their trade for every trade that you make. So at the end of the day, you look at your account, is negative $400 instead of positive $1,000. Why? Because of greed. So stop losing money in your trading business because of greed. So don't get greedy. Stick to your discipline. Stick to your goals. If your goal is 50 pips, please, my fellow trader, 50 pips. Exit the trade. Even if the market looks lucrative, exit. You better get out of the screen. Stay away. Just set your take profit. Go do something else. Stay away from that screen. Let the market trigger your take profit. Come back. Collect your money. After all, the market operates 24 hours a day. So you can always look for other opportunities to take other trades and collect more pips. If your target was 50 pips, 3 trades a day, do 50, get out. Come back, trade number 250, get out. Like that until you achieve your 3 trades. But don't be excited and get greedy, and then instead of taking your profits, you say, let me accumulate more. You can even switch to other tradable items. There are so many tradable items in the market. It's not just the currency pairs. We have indices like Nasdaq. Some people even trade gold, metals. There are so many tradable items. So if you collect pips in the currency, let's say you're trading Euro USD, go and collect the other 50 pips somewhere else. Another thing, if possible, just withdraw your profits for this day, the same day. Don't let it spend overnight in the broker's hand. Make your profits, withdraw, let the profits stay in your bank account or in your M-Pesa. And with time, your profits grow, your account grows, you fought that enemy that was making you lose money. Thirdly, there is fear. There are so many fears that well up in a Forex trader. Some traders, they have fear of taking the trade. Others, they have fear of losing money. Others even have fear of that the trade will turn against you. And the list is endless. For me, before I realized how this business works, I used to take trades with a very tight stop loss, say 5 pips. And I would be stopped out of the trade only for the market to move in the direction of my prediction. So you can imagine how I felt. Trust me, it's painful to watch the market move in the direction of your prediction and you're not even on board. Not because I was stopped out because my prediction was wrong, but it's because I put a tight stop loss. So fear of losing money, fear of losing my capital made me lose money anyway in the end. So my advice, please don't let fear cripple you. As long as your technical analysis is right, as long as you've set your targets, your goal, then just set a reasonable profit, stop loss, and take the trade. In fact, it's recommended that a viable trade should have a stop loss of 15 to 20 pips. Anything above 25 pips is not a viable trade. And anything below 10 pips will make you a stop hand target. The market will just come, throw a wick, stop you out, and continue. Then, in the end, you lose money. So, with regards to fear that the trade may turn against you, just be confident, trust your strategy. So long as your rules check in, your fundamentals tie in well with your point of interest, let's say you're up to date with the American news, you know where the dollar is heading and how that affects the dollar pair that you're trading, then just be confident and take the trade. Trust your strategy. Then you will kick fear out of the window. You will start making profits consistently and you will stop losing money. So, what next? Impatience. Patience is very important in Forex trading. Every strategy has a rule. These rules must be fully met before you execute any trade. Even if it takes 3 days, 4 days for your rule to be met, just wait. By the way, you don't even have to trade every day. Some traders even trade once a week, once a month, depending on whether you're a swing trader or you're a day trader. As long as you have your goals, you don't have to be there every day, watching the charts every day. We even have traders who just trade news, fundamental news. So they stay off the market, wait for days for that specific news that they are waiting for. For example, some could be waiting for the NFP news. They will wait for that day. Then they trade because they are fundamental traders. So those are their rules. They patiently wait for the right time. Let me give you an example. If your rule is to wait for a retest after a break of market structure for you to place an order, you have to be patient enough to stick to this rule. The market might entice you to take the trade before it retraces back to your point of interest. And because it's not showing any signs of pulling back, you feel like this market is not coming back. This price is not coming back. Candles are still impulsive. Then your patience gets tested actually. So you decide to enter the trade. As soon as you execute that trade, price will just throw a wick with the next candle and then pull back, pull back, pull back. What happens? You stop out as it approaches your point of interest. It will just come, get to your point of interest before rallying back in the direction of your prediction. In the process, you lose money. Why? Because you are impatient. So my advice, as per my experience, because even me, I used to get trapped a lot of times chasing the market, chasing the price, instead of waiting for it to come back to my point of interest. So wait for your rules to be met. Don't get excited. The price will still come back to your point of interest, no matter how long it takes, especially after the break of market structure. Price has to retest. Price has to come back and take out liquidity before it rallies in the direction wherever it was going, whether it was bullish or whether it was bearish. So if the price was bullish, it will come back, retest, then continue with the bull run. If it was bearish, it will still pull back slowly back to the point of interest, then continue with the bear run. So be patient. For you to be profitable, just be patient. You'll get it right. In fact, when you wait for that market to come back to your point of interest, you will take trades at discounted prices. You either take trades at discounted prices or at premium prices. And when you take trades on those zones, the discounted areas or the premium areas, the trades are risk-free and you get your profits. So just wait. Wait for that discount instead of losing money in the end. So finally, we'll talk about wrong expectations. Truth be told, Forex traders make money. I was attracted by the lifestyle I saw online displayed by other profitable traders. And even the person who introduced me to Forex trading, you could see he was smelling money. You could see that he makes profits. He's comfortable. He's living large. But then to think that I could make money instantly was definitely deceiving. I came into the Forex trading with wrong expectations, expecting, all you just do is place a trade and you make money. In the next 3 months, I'll be driving that big car, my dream car. No way. It doesn't work like that. And what does wrong expectations do to you as a trader? It makes you jump from one strategy to another. One strategy to another, in the name of looking for the holy grail of a strategy that doesn't even exist. The reality is there is no holy grail of a strategy. At some point, you will lose money in this business. All you need to do is maintain your discipline, stick to your rules, be patient so that you don't lose money, so that you become profitable. So that you walk that journey step by step, growing your account, perfecting your skills, and then finally collecting profits. Then you live that life that you wanted to live. Some people take 3 years, others even take 10 years to get there, depending on your personality, your financial muscle. But don't be discouraged. Maintain your discipline. Keep your expectations right. Just grow slowly and you'll become a happy trader, a profitable trader. You will fight those enemies and stop losing money. So, in conclusion, what am I saying? I'm saying that trading is a business. And in Forex, there are enemies that will fight you, and you have to keep them on check for you to stop losing money. Misinformation, get the right information, do research, learn the skill, fight greed, fear, control your emotions, be patient, and have the right expectations, and you'll become a profitable trader. So here at Lady Africa Forex Trading Channel, we offer mentorship to beginners. We also offer mentorship to struggling Forex traders. And our goal is to empower you with knowledge, give you factual information, guide you through the Forex trading journey, work with you and ensure that you become a profitable trader in this business. So thank you for watching. If there's anything you'd like us to talk about in this platform, please DM us on Instagram and Facebook. And see you in the next video.